DAS delivers fault code, control unit N10 is defective. The control unit is not necessarily defective, the cause may be a defective prefuse. The fuse assignment diagram shows only the main fuse boxes F3, F4 and F58. F3, cockpit fuse box. F4, rear fuse and relay box. F58, engine compartment fuse and relay box. Prefuse F8, protects F58 in engine compartment, is in prefuse box F32. Prefuse box F32 is at the front of engine compartment, not shown in fuse assignment diagram. Prefuse box F33 is in the battery compartment, not shown in fuse assignment diagram. It contains prefuses F82 and F86. Prefuses are harness fuses designed to prevent vehicle catching fire following a collision. Prefuse F82 protects rear fuse and relay box F4. Prefuse F86 protects fuse box F3 in the cockpit and its feed line. Note, protects against damage caused by short circuits and overcurrent. Conclusion: when dealing with power supply faults, check the prefuses for the main fuses.